Now one integral is given to us in which we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now our requirement is log of x plus root a square plus x square plus c. Fine. Now how I can start the problem? Simply put, x is equal to a tan theta. If I differentiate both sides with respect to theta, so that it will become dx divided by d theta is equal to a secant square theta. Fine. So what is the value of dx? This is nothing but a secant square theta into d theta put in this integral. So can I say capital I will be equal to integration. What is the value of dx? It is a secant square theta into d theta divided by, this is root a square plus, what is the value of small x? A tan theta, so that it will become a square into tan square theta. Fine. If I take a square common, because it is in the root, so it will become small a. So this is a secant square theta into d theta divided by, this is a root. Can I write? This is nothing but 1 plus tan square theta. This a and a is cancel out, and you know very well 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. Fine. So this is equal to integration. This is secant square theta divided by, this is nothing but root of secant square theta into d theta. This square and this is cancel out. So this is equal to integration of secant theta into d theta. Now what is the integration of secant theta into d theta? This is nothing but, can I say, log of, this is secant theta plus tan theta plus c. Now we know very well what is the value of x. We know the value of x is nothing but, this is a tan theta. So what is the value of tan theta? This is nothing but x by a. So what is tan theta? This is perpendicular divided by base. So this is the right angle triangle. Perpendicular is x, base is a. What about this hypotenuse? It will be x square plus a square. So what will be the value of secant theta? Is nothing but, this is hypotenuse divided by base. So secant theta will be nothing but x square plus a square divided by base is a. So can I say this is equal to log of mod of, what is secant theta? This is nothing but root of x square plus a square divided by a plus, what is the value of tan theta? Tan theta is perpendicular divided by base, so it will become x by a plus, let me call this as c1. Fine. So let me take LCM. So if I take the LCM, so it will become log of, can I say, small a is here, so that it will become x plus, this is root x square plus a square mod plus c1. Or I can also write like this, this is nothing but log of mod of x plus, this is root of x square plus a square minus log of a plus c1. And let me call this as nothing but constant c. Fine. So what is the final answer? Final answer is nothing but log of mod of x plus, this is root of x square plus a square plus c. Now what is the value of c? Log minus log a plus c1. So this is the result. Thank you.